Over to shortstop. Nice play. Freddy Galvis flips to second for one. Over to first, and it's not in time. Norris beats it out. A wonderful play by Galvis, though, to get the lead runner. And there are 2 outs here in the 9th inning.
We had to go to break because of the inning-ending double play last inning, but the play Freddie made last inning was spectacular. This one just as good, maybe even better. To have that much momentum going towards third base and make an accurate throw, a very good turn there by Cesar. Derek Norris does beat it out, but just to get to that ball was very good on Freddie's part. Derek Norris, very good play on his part to hit the front of that bag.